Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. Saturday, April the 2nd. Yes, April the 2nd. Saturday, April the 2nd, 2022. We have not so good news today because in this newspaper we have only two regular Sudokus. Sudoku Medium and a Quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. And we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. I'm not joking. Let me see. Okay, let me scroll the papers. Quick. So we have no additional. That means on Saturday, no extra puzzles. On Sunday, no extra puzzles. What I will do is in yesterday's newspaper on Friday, I will continue with the rest of the puzzles. I believe there are 3 puzzles left. And I will do it today. Tomorrow on Sunday, I will continue with the additional, not of the yesterday's newspaper on Friday, no, the day before. On Thursday, yes, Thursday, I have 4 puzzles left, I believe. Yes, okay, but let me solve this puzzle first. Sudoku Medium. This will be a number 4349. Okay, 4349. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. All right, let me scan the puzzle. How about which number can I pick? How about the 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5. It should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, on that column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so in the first column, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Then. One. Let me see. The 8 in the first column, the 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle row, so in the row below. The only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. So we have 8 in this row, 8 last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And now we can count, and all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. Okay. Then 1, 1, 4, 4, 2. How about the 2? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7. 7. I need pairs. Come on. 4, 4. I'm thinking. 4, 1, 2. Come on. 3, 3. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. Here 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those two boxes in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see that 3, no 3 there, 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see a 3 in this column, the third column. So no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in the second row. So no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 1, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in the last column, so no 1 in this box. Here 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Okay. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. All right. 3 and 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. Okay. So now we have here 1 and 2, 1 and 3. And yeah. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 in this row. So no 1 and a 3 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9. 7 and the 9. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Here also. Now we have a 7 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 7 and 6. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 more. That box should be a 7.
And one of this, yeah.
And this box should be a 6. Okay. 1 box left in the middle, a row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next, so in that column, only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. Wait. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can't be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. Okay. 7, 7, 7. Okay. So now we have the 3, 2, and 6 is missing. 3, 2, 3. Okay, 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the 7 to be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 could be here, could be there. Same for the 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated the 7. So the 7 goes here. Okay, and all the ones are used. I can see this is number 3, number 1. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. And all the 7s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 7. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the second column, so no 2 in these two boxes. Here 2 in the third row, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Final number of this big square for number 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Alright, great. Finish in 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this puzzle. And I finished this in 17 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Yeah, later with the other puzzles. Not in today's additional, because we have no additional in today's newspaper. It will be the yesterday's newspaper of Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.